Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Okra. Today I want to show you how I prepare my okra soup. So this food is going to be about 10 minutes soup. So now I put my pot on the stove. So I just going to put my oil. Don't mind, this oil is frozen because of the AC. I'm gonna add my onion, I'll add my okra, I'll add my pepper. This is pepper and crayfish. Just gently mix everything together. I will add my stock. I'll add my mushroom. Then my beef. I'll add my nut cube, my salt to taste, so at this point I'm not going to cover the pot, so I'll just let it simmer for about 2 minutes, then we'll come back to it. After 2 minutes, now I'll put baby spinach. Then I will add my fish. I will leave it for 1 minute, then we'll come back to it. Then 1 minute, soup is ready.